Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, in this video I will show you how to edit like Iman Gadzhi in Premiere Pro. First, go to New Item, Sequence, Horizontal 9020, Vertical 1080. Add a video into the timeline. Select this rectangle shape tool. Create a rectangle shape like this. Under Shape, change Fill Color to black. Select this rectangle mask tool and create a mask like this. Place it all the way bottom. Increase the mask further value. Set keyframe for position and place it all the way down. Go few frames forward and place it all the way to the top. Place a playhead over here. Set keyframe for mask opacity. Change to 0. Go few frames forward and increase the mask opacity. Now I'm going to add a book image. Under opacity, select this pen tool. Create a mask like this. Reduce the scale size. Place it over here. Set keyframe for position and place it down. Go few frames forward, place it on top. Set keyframe for rotation and change the rotation angle. Go few frames forward, adjust the rotation angle like this. Using type tool, I am going to add a text. Select this fill color and change solid to linear gradient. Check stroke and check shadow. Place this over here. Adjust position and scale. Under Test, select this rectangle shape tool. Create a rectangle shape like this. Set keyframe for mask path. Go few frames forward, adjust the mask. Go few frames forward and adjust the mask. Now I'm going to add another test. Place it over here. Under this test layer, select this rectangle mask. Set keyframe for mask path. Go few frames forward and adjust the mask. Now I'm going to add an arrow image. Place it over here. Adjust the position, scale and rotation. Go to Effects and add Tint. Change map black to white. Under opacity, select this rectangle mask. Create a mask like this. Set keyframe for mask path. Go few frames forward and adjust the mask. Now, let me place this playhead over here. Set keyframe for mask path. Go few frames forward and adjust the mask. Like this. Do the same for this test and arrow image. Select the book layer and set keyframe for position over here. Go few frames forward and position down. For this black shade, I will set a keyframe for mask opacity. Go few frames forward and mask opacity 0. Cut and delete the unwanted portions. Go to Effects and add Gaussian blur to this test right here. Set keyframe for blurriness. Increase the blurriness. Go few frames forward where the test can be seen. Change the blurriness to 0. Place the playhead over here. Go few frames forward and increase the blurriness. Now I'm going to add an image. Go to Effects and add Tint. Change Map Black to White. Copy this tint and paste to the other images. Adjust scale and position. You can also use guides to help with positioning these images. You can find these rulers from View, check Show Rulers and Show Guides. After I place all these images, let me add a final image over here. I want this image to go back of this character. For doing this, first let me hide this image. Select this background image and go to Effect Controls. Under Opacity, select this pen tool. Create a mask like this. Place these images on top. Create a copy of this background image. I will delete the mask from this bottom image. Let me change the color of this layer so that you don't confuse. Place all these images on top. Mask layer over here. Add this background image over here. Now, let me adjust the position and scale. Place all these layers on top. Go to New Item and add Black Video. Select this background image and decrease the opacity. Now I am going to add a keyframe for opacity for this image. Change to 0. Go press forward and increase opacity to 30. Place the playhead over here and set keyframe for opacity for the second image. Go press forward and increase opacity to 30. Do the same for all the other images except this final image. For this final image, I will set a keyframe for opacity, change to 0. Go a few frames forward and increase opacity to 30. Go again few frames, change to 0. Again go few frames forward and change to 30. Now I'm going to nest all these layers. Set keyframe for scale and increase the scale value a little bit. Go a few frames forward and decrease the scale size. Let me add a snowfall green screen video over here. Go to effects and add ultra key. Select this color picker and select the green color. Reduce the opacity of green screen video. Again go to effects and add a Gaussian blur to the next sequence. Select the ellipse mask tool under Gaussian blur, create a mask like this. Increase blurriness a little bit. Also increase the mask further. Now I'm going to add two images over here. Adjust position and scale. Let me animate the head of this character. So under opacity, select the pen tool, create a shape like this. Let me create a copy of this image. Check inverted. Rename these two layers. Head layer on top and body layer on bottom. Select the head layer and set keyframe for rotation. Go a few frames forward and change the rotation value to 2 degrees. As you can see, there are some outlines. To remove this, select this body layer and increase the mask expansion to 8. Select both layers and nest it. Set keyframe for position and scale. Place it over here and increase the scale size. Go a few frames forward and reduce the scale size and adjust position. Select the background image and adjust the position and increase scale size. Go a few frames forward, adjust the position and reduce the scale size. Select this rectangle shape tool and create a shape like this. Change fill color to red. Using type tool, I'm going to add a text. Under shape, select this fill color, change linear gradient to solid color. Select the color white. Select this rectangle shape tool, go to scale and select this drop down icon. Change scale width to 0. Set keyframe, go keyframe forward and increase scale width to 70. Set keyframe for position, go keyframe forward and adjust the position like this. Increase the scale width to 80. Under text, select this rectangle shape tool. Create a mask like this. Set keyframe for mask path. Go keyframes forward and adjust the mask like this. Let me add another text using type tool. Set keyframe for opacity and change to 0. Go keyframes forward and increase opacity to 100. Create a copy of this snow green screen and place it over here. Now I'm going to add a smoke video over here. Change blend mode to screen. Under opacity, select this rectangle mask tool. Create a rectangle mask like this. Increase the mask further and reduce opacity. Yeah, and that's it, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. If you find this video useful, give a like. Subscribe to my channel if you like these kind of tutorial videos. And I will see you on my next video.